Today, we're diving into a topic that's been trending for a while now: sugar. More specifically, what happens if you stop eating sugar for 30 days? The results might surprise you. So, grab a snack, preferably a sugar-free one, and let's get into it. Why sugar is everywhere. First, let's talk about why sugar is so hard to avoid. Sugar isn't just in the obvious places like candy, soda, and desserts. It's hidden in so many foods we eat every day: bread, pasta sauce, salad dressings, even some healthy snacks like granola bars. The average person consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar per day. That's way more than the recommended 6 teaspoons for women and 9 for men. Excess sugar has been linked to weight gain, inflammation, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. But what happens when you cut it out completely? Let's break it down week by week. Week 1, the sugar detox. Okay, week 1 is rough. If you're used to eating a lot of sugar, your body is going to notice it's gone. You might experience sugar withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, irritability, and even cravings. This is because sugar triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone, in your brain. Without it, your brain is like, "Hey, where's my reward?" But don't worry, this phase doesn't last forever. Your body is just adjusting to life without that constant sugar rush. Week 2, energy levels stabilize. By week 2, things start to get better. Your energy levels begin to stabilize. Without those sugar highs and crashes, you'll notice you have more consistent energy throughout the day. You might also start sleeping better, which is a huge bonus. Plus, your taste buds start to change. Foods you used to think were bland, like plain yogurt or unsweetened oatmeal, start to taste sweeter and more satisfying. Week 3, mental clarity and weight loss. By week 3, you might notice some serious mental clarity. Sugar can cause brain fog, but without it, your mind feels sharper and more focused. And if weight loss is one of your goals, you might start seeing the numbers on the scale drop. Cutting out sugar reduces your overall calorie intake and helps regulate your appetite. Plus, your skin might start to clear up. Sugar can cause inflammation, which leads to breakouts. Without it, your skin could look brighter and healthier. Week 4, the final results. By week 4, you're officially a sugar-free champion. At this point, your cravings are pretty much gone, and you've likely developed healthier eating habits. You might notice improvements in your mood, digestion, and even your immune system. Some people report lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels too. And the best part? You've broken free from that cycle of sugar dependency. You're in control of your cravings, not the other way around. Tips for going sugar-free. Now, if you're thinking about trying this challenge, here are a few tips to make it easier. 1. Read labels carefully. Sugar hides under names like high-fructose corn syrup, cane juice, and maltose. 2. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. 3. Stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for sugar cravings. 4. Don't be too hard on yourself. If you slip up, just get back on track. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. So, there you have it. What happens when you stop eating sugar for 30 days? It's not easy, but the benefits are totally worth it. If you've tried this challenge before, let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.